We have almost completed the app. Let's return to Power Apps. Make sure your button is selected. Click the Action menu. In the ribbon, click Flow. You should see flow you just created. Click to add your flow. Your button has a red circle and white cross. Don't worry, you need to add flow parameters. Thankfully, not too awesome a task. You should see your button on select has your flow name and dot run open bracket. Place your mouse cursor after the open bracket, type double quotes. Add a name for the image and .jpg, then close double quotes. Type a comma, then tap your spacebar key on your keyboard and type upload image 1. If you look at the tree view and expand add media with image 1, you will see upload image 1 listed. Type a dot and type image, then close bracket. Well done, your app is built. Let's test it. Click play. A new window opens. I'm using a desktop to test this app, so I need to navigate to any image held on my PC. Tap to add a picture and choose a small image. We only need to establish functionality. A large image may make debugging problematical. Click the button. You should see the ant dots running across the top of the screen. Click the cross top right to return to app development. You should see the app has no errors displayed. Let's quickly switch over to SharePoint. Open the picture. Congratulations. Thank you for viewing. You can download an illustrative PDF version of this video. If there is interest, I will add further training, for example, add multiple images, image descriptions, answered audit questions. Let me know if you are interested in this type of training. Tell me what you think about this video. For now, goodbye.